Hola, hola, welcome back my dear amigos. This is Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week, sometimes several videos throughout the week. Today we'll be talking about vegetables, so if you like cooking and you want to know some of the names of the most popular vegetables in Spanish, stick around. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you already subscribed and you're perhaps a teacher and you want to download the printables and lessons, subscribe to my VIP premium membership. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you'll be able to download all the lessons. Muy bien, so how do we say vegetables in Spanish? Verduras. These are the edible verduras that you can eat every day in your food. You can also say vegetales, but vegetales refers also to plants in general. So, for this lesson, we'll stick with verduras. Artichoke, la alcachofa, la alcachofa, alcachofa. Repeat after me, la alcachofa. In South America, avocado is referred to as la palta, la palta. However, in places like Mexico and Central America, this is called el aguacate. El aguacate in Mexico, la palta in South America. Carrot, la zanahoria, la zanahoria, la zanahoria. Repeat after me, la zanahoria. Muy bien, siguiente, next one. Garlic, el ajo, el ajo. Very important when it comes to cooking, el ajo. And it helps you keep healthy. El ajo. But it can give you bad breath, so you gotta be careful. Siguiente, next one. Lettuce, la lechuga, la lechuga. Repeat after me, la lechuga, lechuga. Muy bien, you're doing very well. Keep up the good work. Lemon, el limón, el limón. See the accent on top of the O? You have to put a bit of emphasis. Limón, el limón. Muy bien, siguiente. What about this? Broccoli. Oh, this one is very easy. El brócoli. Sounds almost the same. El brócoli. Broccoli. You won't have any problems with this one. It sounds almost exactly the same both in English and Spanish. Siguiente. Capsicum. El pimentón, el pimiento, el pimiento. In some countries they call it pimentón, but generally this is referred to as el pimiento. Muy bien, siguiente. Oh, I love this one, this is my favorite. Corn. In Mexico, corn is referred to as el elote. However, in parts of South America it's referred to as el choclo. El choclo in South America, el elote in Mexico. But perhaps the most international word is maíz. If you talk about maíz in South America, Central America or Spain, everybody will know what you're talking about. Corn. Muy bien, continuemos. Celery, el apio. El apio is used in several soups in South America. Remember, as a kid, I used to drink these delicious cazuelas. And my grandmother and my mother used apio, el apio, celery. Eggplant, la berenjena, la berenjena, la berenjena. I remember a delicious salad made with berenjena. Yum, yum, yum. Siguiente, next one. Watercress. Los berros. Los berros. Can you pronounce after me? Los berros. Roll your R's. Los berros. If it's too hard to pronounce the double R. Siguiente. Guava. Guayaba. Guayaba. Now this is a fruit, but in some places they make exotic salads with guava. Guayaba in Spanish. So even though it's a fruit, some people use it for salads. Siguiente, next one. Pumpkin. In parts of Central America, it's called la calabaza. In parts of South America, it's referred to as el zapallo. La calabaza or el zapallo. Both words are correct. Zucchini. La calabacita in Mexico. El Zapallo Italiano in parts of South America. La Calabacita o Zapallo Italiano. Now this one is very popular. Onion. La cebolla. La cebolla. La cebolla. La cebolla. It's one of the most popular vegetables around the world. Cabbage. El repollo o el col. El repollo, or you can also call it el col. This is similar to lettuce, but I think it's a bit thicker. Oh, I love this one. Spinach. La espinaca. La espinaca. La espinaca. That's the one that Popeye used to eat in cartoons when I was a child. I used to watch it. La espinaca. Maybe that's why I like it so much. And this one is probably one of the most popular ones. Tomato. El tomate. El tomate. Sounds similar. El tomate. Repeat after me. El tomate. Muy bien. So, let's see if we can test your knowledge now. Are you ready? Don't forget to look back and look at the correct answer if you make a mistake. ¿Cómo se llama? What is it called? ¿Cómo se llama esto? What is this called? ¿Cómo se llama esto? What's this called? Cebolla. What about this one? What do you call this? ¿Te acuerdas? Do you remember? Ajo. Siguiente. Oh, this one should be easy. ¿Cómo se llama esto? What do you call this? Tomate. Muy bien. Siguiente. What about eggplant in Spanish? ¿Te acuerdas? Do you remember? Berenjena. Siguiente. Oh, this one is really nice. ¿Cómo se llama esto? What's this called? ¿Te acuerdas? El limón. This one is very easy. El brócoli. Yummy. Brócoli. Very healthy. Oh, this one is my favorite. ¿Cómo se llama esto? What do you call this? El maíz o el choclo o el elote. Muy bien. You're doing very well. Oh, yum. I love making a soup with this. Yummy, yummy. ¿Cómo se llama esto? Zapallo. O calabacita. Calabaza. What about this? Celery. El apio. Siguiente, next one. I'll let this one for you to remember. You have to look it up. I made it a bit tricky for you. What about this one? What do we call this in South America? La palta. And in Mexico, el aguacate. Muy bien, amigos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. It makes it possible for me to continue uploading and producing videos for you. Take care. I hope to see you around once again. And don't forget to check my premium membership. By the way, I'd like to extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my 3 channels: Learn English World, Learn Spanish World, and Que Rico Recipes. If you visit Learn Spanish World, you'll find more than 250 Spanish lessons. You can also find English lessons in my channel Learn English World, so go and check it out. And if you enjoy delicious, quick, easy to make meals, visit Que Rico Recipes. Subscribe. You will enjoy the videos that I upload on a regular basis. Let's continue growing together. Nos vemos, my dear amigos.